Today we are going to discuss numerical solution of ordinary differential equations. In this one, Picard method we are discussing. Okay. So Picard method, y1 is equal to y0 plus integral x0 to x f of x comma y0 dx. This is the first approximation. So Picard's method, in Picard's method we are doing for following approximations. We will find the first approximation, second, third, fourth and so on. So depending upon the approximations we will get the closest value. So whichever is the best approximation, up to that one we will do, and we will stop the procedure and we will give this is the approximate value. Okay. So now the second approximation, if you observe this one, y2 is equal to y0 plus integral x0 to x f of x comma y1 dx. This is the second approximation. So if you observe the first and second approximation, these two start with y0 only. Integration limits are x0 to x only for these two. What is the difference you have observed? F of x y0 dx. Here is the second approximation, x y1 dx. First approximation you come across with the y0, second approximation you come across with the y1. Similarly, if you go for the nth approximation, you come across with the yn minus 1. Okay, this is the Picard's method, first approximation, second and nth approximations. So in the problem how we have to follow means, we will do the first approximation, second approximation, third approximation and so on. So whichever is the best suitable one, up to that one we will do the approximation and stop that one and substitute in the last approximation. That is the final. Okay, now go for the problem. So given y dash is equal to 1 plus xy and y of 0 is equal to 1. Calculate y of 0.1 is how much, y of 0.2 is how much, using Picard's method, that is nothing but approximations. Okay, so first you have to consider in the approximations you come across with the f of x comma y. Therefore f of x comma y is nothing but 1 plus xy. Consider. Okay, y of 0 is equal to 1 he has given. That means if x value is 0, the value of y is 1, that we know. What he is asking is y of 0.1. If x is 0.1, what is the y value? If x is 0.2, what is the y value he is asking? Okay. So y of 0 is equal to 1 means what is the meaning? x0 is 0 and y0 is 1. Okay. So what he is asking, y of 0.1 is how much and y of 0.2 is how much he is asking. The first approximation, y1 is equal to y0 plus integral x0 to x f of x y0 dx. Okay. So y1 is equal to y0. y0 means already we have 1. y0 is 1. Integral x0. x0 means already it is 0. Therefore integral 0 to x. F of x y0 means 1 plus x y0. Because f of xy is 1 plus xy. Therefore 1 plus x y0. Therefore, but y0 is again 1. Therefore 1 plus integral 0 to x, 1 plus x into y. In place of y0 I have written 1 dx. Okay. If you do the simplification, 1 as usual, integral of 1 is x. Again integral of x is x square by 2. If you substitute in between the limits also, you are going to get as x plus x square by 2. Okay. Similarly, we will go for the second approximation. y2 is y0 plus integral x0 to x f of x comma y1 dx. Second approximation you come across with the y1. Okay. y0 already it is 1, x0 is 0 and 1 plus x y1 dx. y1 is how much? Here we have solved 1 plus x square by 2. Therefore 1 plus integral 0 to x, this 1 is as usual plus x into y1, this value 3 summation of these 1 plus x square by 2. If you simplify this one, 1 is as usual here it is integration of x is 1 is x into 1x, therefore x square by 2, x into x square, that is nothing but x cube by 3, x into x square, x cube, that is equal to x power 4 by into 2, that is nothing but x power 4 by 8. So therefore y2 is this much you are going to get. Similarly, third approximation, if you do that one, y3 you are going to get it as like this one. So if you come across with the again fourth approximation, it is a very lengthy one. That's why now we stop this approximation up to third and we go for the finding the values. Okay, therefore y of 0.1 is, therefore wherever you come across with x, write the 0.1 in the third approximation and simplify that one, you are going to get it as 1.10534. Similarly, if you come across with y of 0.2, in place of x if you substitute 0.2, you are going to get it as 1.22286. Okay, this is about the Picard's method. So in the Picard's method, you have to remember Picard's method is approximations. Okay, thank you.